Good morning, Keegan.
Good morning, guys.
Give him a song.
Levi, time to wake up. It's Thursday. Get the blanket off.
Give him another. Give him a chant.
No, I'm not forcing this guy.
You're done, bro. Oh my God.
I have to go. Goodbye. Hello, I'm back.
Yo, it is an AMG, dog.
No, it doesn't count because it's a C63.
Bro, that is so clean.
It probably has ass. Did we see that AMG on the way to work today? Yeah.
Camera's about to die, but I guess we can go till it does, right? Will he make it? No, you're supposed to shoot it.
Yeah, fine.
Alright, let's see.
It was in and out.
Bug it. Alright, first to two. We'll play two. Just because. You gotta make 2 points and then it'll switch. I'll play the winner. Are you sure that's not a car, bro? Oh! Alright, that's one Keegan. Game 2. Round 2. Match 2. Oh! Oh! Oh my God. How do you feel? Jesus! Bro, whatever that car is ripping.
Oh! And that's great.
Scheiße! 1-1. 1-1. Come on, Keegan. All you gotta do is make 1 point. Run, Keegan, run! No. Oh, my scheiße. What happened to your shoe? Why does it have a white spot on it?
I wonder why.
What happened?
Riding.
What'd you just call him? Damn, he really smacked you and called you a bitch just now. You gonna let that? Oh, Keegan.
It's like 82 degrees outside, and that's green. Hey, what's that lay, boys? Owen's ball now? Yeah. Hey.
Your teeth scraped my arm.
Owen. That's green. Oh no. Splash. Oh.
Nah.
Levi!
Nah.
Wet like water.
A little break.
Shoots and it's a mess. Oh. Oh. Owen's a shifty guy. And then he greens it. Hey! Hey!
One round. Okay.
Yo, he's still going. Bro, you're dead. Yeah. I'm probably sweaty too. Damn, buddy. Huh?
$100.
If you make this right now? That's a start. I mean, you can touch. Fuck. In our defense, we are hella sore from the gym. Ain't that right, Levi?
That's very right.
That is so why. Today was a big arm day. So it's just Yesterday was a lot better.